Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav and this is a screencast for the first homework of DevOps, which is configuring and provisioning servers. So as a part of the homework we are supposed to provision servers with two different service providers. In my case I'm going to be using DigitalOcean and AWS to provision the servers. Also we have to write an Ansible playbook to automatically install Nginx server on both these instances that we have created. So let me just show you the two platforms. So you can see that currently there are no droplets which are present on DigitalOcean, and same is the case with EC2 console. There are no running instances which are present. The ones which are there are the ones which I was working with previously, which are terminated now. So let me show you the contents of this directory. As you can see, there is a dependencies.sh script. If we dive into it, we can see that it installs the necessary dependencies for running the JS file. So if I just go inside one of the folders, you can see that there is a package.json in here which contains all the dependencies which are required for running the JavaScript files. Now let me just show you the contents of the run script that I have written. So what we essentially do is we go inside DigitalOcean directory, we run the script for creating a droplet, we fetch the IP address and write it into the inventory file. We do the exact same thing with AWS. We create an EC2 instance, we fetch the IP address and write the credentials in the inventory file for Ansible to consume, and then we go inside Ansible and run the playbook. So this is going to be the process, and let me just go ahead and run this script. So first a DigitalOcean droplet is being created, and there is a small timeout which I have given in case of both these scripts, because it takes certain amount of time to fetch and create the droplet and retrieve the IP address. So if we can just refresh here, should be able to see a new droplet being created on the DigitalOcean page, and there it is, the droplet is being created. It takes some amount of time for the droplet to completely get created. And there it is, you can see that the droplet has been created, and now we can see that the script for AWS has also started running, and we should be able to see a EC2 instance on the EC2 console pop-up. There's a running instance now, and post this the Ansible playbook will start running, and this is trying to install the Nginx server on DigitalOcean first and then AWS, I suppose. So let me just go and say yes for authenticating the host, and as you can see that the task of installing this Nginx server has started. And it has successfully installed it on DigitalOcean. Now it will be doing the same thing for AWS. And it has successfully installed it on both the platforms. So we can just go ahead and verify if the Nginx server is indeed up and has been successfully installed. We can just go ahead and key in the IP address in our browser, and there you can see it's working on DigitalOcean. Just check it for uh, uh, AWS as well, and there you can see that you can see the welcome page for Nginx server. So as a last thing, I would just like to show you the inventory file which was created. You can see that the inventory file has been created. This is where the credentials or the required information are for Ansible to consume for SSH into the respective server. So this is the inventory file which was automatically created as a part of the server creation or the instance creation process. So that is all as a part of the screencast. Thanks a lot.